Hi, so next video is our travel day from Chengdu to Chongqing on the high-speed train, and then our sort of late afternoon and first sort of evening in Chongqing. As you can see as the video progresses, that Chongqing is a hell of a city. I will apologise for my language in sections of it. When I get drunk, it would seem that I swear. So I will try and curb that moving forward, but I can't beep it. I'm not that spec aware, and I'll put it in, but just be aware that the language is a little fruity at times, and I apologise in advance for that. Anyway, hope you enjoy it. So we started off with our buffet breakfast that we had most mornings. As you can see, there's a variety. So obviously it was a Chinese hotel, so it's a Chinese buffet breakfast. The grill did not look overly appetizing, as you can see, or congee, or however you pronounce it. We then went for a coffee while we waited on being collected up, and this was another interesting coffee house. I love that picture, and a nice coffee. Well, it's actually a Coke to try and get my salt levels up, and a coffee. Pandas everywhere. And another budgie. So we checked out the hotel, which there'll be a separate video of the two hotels we stayed in, and we got a little gift, a little parting gift, which was really nice from them. Again, hospitality.
去摘了。拿啥啊？那有一个不同的。我的还是。哦，那个一起，然后那个是一个娃子想往后头，还有这个是什么？这个是中国式的什么？
So this train station was massive. It really was like an airport. We got some snacks for the train, and we waited on the most difficult bit, which is actually getting onto the platform.
是有高86214列车车票的旅客，请抓紧时间到 A11 检票口检票上车。是有高86214列车车票的旅客，请抓紧时间到 A11 检票口检票上车。
9.
here, and one there is also A. Paradigm 8B. So I'll take D.
One of our snacks was this little bit of bluff brought from Scotland.
对以下行为，除按有关规定进行处置外，还将记录个人身份信息，纳入铁路旅客心路信息记录管理。按规定向国家与地方政府相关部门和有关征信机构提供铁路旅客心路信息。一、扰乱铁路战车运行秩序且危及铁路安全，造成严重社会不良影响的；二、在动车组列车上吸烟，或者在其他列车的经过区域吸烟；三、查处的倒卖车票、制贩假票；四、冒用优惠、优待申请证件，使用伪造和无效
你不卖，你管他多少？
购票乘车的。
我那个卖什么刚卖了，
过期的无效车票或恶意挂饰车票乘车的，
哎，给他退了那个。
乘车、越站越系乘车且拒不补票的，
这个关系要是硬的哈。
依据相关法律法规，应予以行政处罚的。为避免对个人信用造成影响，请旅客自觉遵守国家法律规定和铁路有关规定，自觉维护铁路旅客运输秩序。感谢您的配合。
down the escalator up the escalator, but it was violent to go in front of me. Yeah, big time. Probably still on video, me going, "Super!"
到机场吧，江北机场里面走机场的专线层。
第一次到重庆来玩，要想在这里玩没回家的话，
下坡，下坡，下坡。
乘客您好，入您人身及财产安全，请勿低速打开人员，请勿乘坐由您预资制的车辆，选择合法交通工具出行，勿需纳受费。
Guess the taxi's this way.
Same thing in and they have another flat in the city center.
But both high rise.
Yeah.
More than inside.
Yeah.
Like these big flats.
Yeah.
Like notice. Dundee.
But yeah. The high rise are normally nice inside. Normally it's the low rise ones, the 4 or 5, like near the Panda Bar. They're all like 4 or 5 stories, but they're old fashioned. The old fashioned inside. So fairly cheap to live there.
Yeah.
右转进入北城路。已为您切换路线，直行过当前红绿灯，随后200米左转。
She looked tempted to go to Bicycle to see Chili.
I like to. Never have enough money.
I need to just lights.
So directly across from the hotel which we checked into was this rooftop music bar. So we checked in, unpacked, and then shuttled across to have our first beer in Chongqing, and to basically just gather ourselves and plan out what we were going to do for the rest of the evening. Then we had a little walk along at the riverfront, waiting to get a taxi, And yeah, some interesting things were seen, including more pandas everywhere. A short DD ride and we were at the New Order bar. This was special. Now, because of copyright infringement, I can't play the music that they were playing in any long phases, but it was the music that made this place so special. And the young lad that owns it, such a welcoming guy, and just an incredibly good tap room and an incredibly good place. The cat was very friendly, if not slightly annoying, because I'm not a big cat man. I get this, right? I'm in China, and this is a sport car. I understand this. However, it has a BD bit. Okay, this is all cool, but the thing that's really got me is a fucking cigarette ashtray thing. What the actual fuck? But then there's this, which is pretty cool. I fucking love China, as much as it confused me. And then another short DD ride, and we gone to get some barbecue. I am telling you, Chongqing is my city. This is fucking unreal. I've just left the best bar I have ever been in my life. And this is where dinner is. Sorry. 谢谢。 This is a barbecue. The barbecue was exceptional. It was a really good shout. Very delicious. We had a lot more Chinese beer and a lot of dishes. Everyone was better than the next one. And it was so hot, so spicy, so fresh, just amazing. You buy them on the skewers or you buy them in the little tubs. And the whole meal came to, there were 3 of us with alcohol. I think it came to about £12. Excellent value. And like I say, the food was delicious. Really nice. As you can see, we were quite happy.
Good damn you! Who said it?
Damn you!
What about that one there? Old. Hey, haha, say something.
没有，把东西带完。
And then back to the music bar for a nightcap. We did promise we would go back, and they had live music on, and it was good. A little bit different, but that's what you go on holiday for. Things that are a little bit different. And that ended the first day in Chongqing, and instantly we knew that, well, I knew that I loved the city. It was really different. The vibe was so energetic. It's probably the right way of putting it. So unfortunately, we were only there for 3 days because of the way that the trip had panned out. And really, it could have been a lot more. So the next video is actually quite a long one, and there's hot pot, and there's cable car, and there's numerous things that we did. We really packed in that day. But yeah, Chongqing for me was the best city that I'd visited in China up to this point, and you'll certainly get that vibe through it. That's what I thought. Just spectacular. Just everything is so different. Really cool. But anyway, that video is still to come for the day 2, the busy day. And thanks for watching and for sticking out this video this long. Have a good day. Peace out.